It kind of totally fell apart on me.
Because that's what cool people do.
It was really hard to get it out of the tray, and everything kept falling apart. I don't know what went wrong. I heard thunder. And then tornado sirens started going off. So I'm gonna have to, I'm shutting down my computer just in case. And I'm gonna start watching the sky and stuff now. She's telling us there's a stormy.
Tomorrow night.
No.
Tomorrow. Night, early tomorrow morning.
Crud, I forgot. Sit up. First smell it, because it smells good. See, doesn't that smell good? And take a bite. She's not so sure. It's kind of, well, there's a reason why it tastes like that, is because it's got a bunch of flavors. Really sweet, huh?
You can really taste the coconut.
Not really, no. Oh, well, where you bit, yeah, there was the coconut. If you bit on that side, there's not as much coconut, because you bit at the bottom. The top's the one with the walnuts. Me, I'm like, I want to go to bed. My body's like, no, no you're not. You've got the hiccups now. See? This will be fun. I just want to go to bed. I'm tired. I know, I've got the freaking hiccups. I'm pretty darn sure I haven't had these since since Alex was here in September. If I've had it since then, someone let me know, because I don't remember. But I'm pretty sure I didn't. But yeah. There's a storm and it keeps thundering. I like that much, at least. I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you all have a wonderful night / morning / whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.
I've got you to be right. All my life, I've been waiting for you. All my life, I didn't know what to do. Now it's right. I've got you, it's clear. All my life, I've got you to be here. Like the light across the ocean waves, by your side I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.